Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Lexus NX 200T. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 235 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. Four wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A cream and black leather interior. Sunroof. NX 200T badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, power seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, hard keys for media display, eco and sports driving modes, touchpad for infotainment center. This Lexus has 67,343 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus NX 300T, check out feldmanimports.com.